Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Altima blinker bulb. Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then turn off the ignition and remove the key. Open the hood and locate the headlight housing near the front corner where the blinker assembly sits. Gather a replacement bulb and a small screwdriver, and make sure you have gloves to protect your hands while working. Start by identifying the blinker socket behind the headlight assembly and clear any debris around it. Use a flashlight if needed to see the twist lock socket and turn it counterclockwise until it disengages. Pull the socket out gently and remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out, avoiding twisting motions. Inspect the socket for corrosion and replace any clips or connectors. Handle the new bulb by the base or wear gloves to prevent oils from shortening bulb life. Insert the bulb into the socket firmly, making sure it seats correctly, then slide the socket back into the housing and twist clockwise until it locks. Test the blinker function with the ignition off to confirm proper operation, then reassemble any trim or covers and close the hood. Dispose of the old bulb responsibly and check both sides for symmetry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.